Yes. Ja, det er jo så den forhåbentlig første episode af Warcraft Reign of Chaos. Eller i hvert fald, hvis det her overhovedet bliver godkendt til værende kilde, så tænker jeg, det er i hvert fald det første. Det som jeg egentlig har tænkt mig at spille, det er den første kampagne af Warcraft 3 Reign of Chaos, som er det originale Warcraft-spil, og så en af de sidste kampagner i Warcraft 3 udvidelsespakken Frozen Throne. Fordi jeg håber på at kunne fokusere mest på historien, der omhandler Arthas, altså prinsen af Kalimdor. Ikke Kalimdor, snakker jeg. Lordaeron. Okay. Recent orc uprising in southern Lordaeron have forced the Alliance to take decisive measures to contain the orcish threat. King Theranas has sent two of the realm's greatest paladin, his son, Prince Arthas, and the legendary Uther the Lightbringer, to deal with the orcs once and for all. To say, first before I shut fuck up, Arthas is the Prince of is the Prince of the Kingdom, son of Theranas, and also a disciple, not disciple, but at least a, what do you call it, a trainee of Uther as a paladin. He's a paladin in training. So I will let this play out now.
Welcome, Prince Arthas. The men and I are honored by your presence.
Can the formalities, Uther. I'm not king yet. It's good to see you.
You too, lad. I'm pleased that King Terenas sent you to help me.
Father still hopes your patience and experience might rub off on me.
Well, it is a father's right to dream, isn't it?
Look, here's where we stand. Our scouts have confirmed that there is an orc encampment hidden somewhere over the next ridge.
As I suspected.
It gets worse. They're preparing to attack the nearby village of Stronbrad. As far as we know, the village is completely defenseless.
I need to move against the orcs' base immediately. Can you handle Stronbrad's defense on your own?
Of course, Uther. Don't worry about me.
Good. Meet me at the orc camp once you've saved the village. Be careful, Arthas.
So this is basically the game, and for good measure, because this is only going to this video is only going to contain lore, not gameplay, or mostly lore, and not too much gameplay. I will enact some cheat codes, which allows me to run through the gameplay or run through the actual game faster, so we can focus on the lore. So I will do that, and yeah.
I'm here to help. For honor. Of course. For honor. Certainly. For honor. A sound plan. Certainly. For honor. Certainly. Help! Bandits are stealing our belongings! We'll take their coins like anyone else. A sound plan. Those bandits stole my ledger. Without it, I will lose my entire farm. Please, retrieve it from their camp. It would mean so much to us. Certainly. Of course. A sound plan. Certainly. Of course. Certainly. Of course.
Save us! He's escaping! Kill him!
Damn. The attack has already begun. To arms, my brothers! Certainly. Feel my wrath. Foul knave. Of course. For honor. Certainly. For honor. Of course. A sound plan.
Haul these wretches off with the rest of them. Move them out!
Certainly.
justice is come. You are past redemption.
Bless you, Prince Arthas.
But what about the others who were taken away?
Don't worry, son. We'll find them and bring them home safe.
Prince Arthas, Lord Uther needs you at the Orc encampment immediately.
Never a dull moment. Let's get moving.
So, yeah, this is basically what it is. This is what I'm gonna do. This is, of course, I'm gonna try to explain stuff as we go along, but mostly I'm just gonna read out the first quotes at the end, at the start of the campaigns, and then I'm gonna mute myself and play out the game in God mode, so so we can get through the game faster and therefore learn or see the history clearer. Not clearer, but faster, I guess. I'm saving some time. Don't judge me, please. So, yeah.